Hey Snoop brother, this is Gerald here. Yesterday you DM me about the solar coffee project, and we're so grateful you ended up purchasing an NFT, and then you also share with the spread awareness to all your community. We really appreciate it. Today in this video, I want to introduce you. I want to connect you to the co-founder, the artist behind this amazing project, Alex Soh. And so, with that being said, I want to pass the baton to Alex, and he want to share. You want to say some nice words to you, right?
Hi, Snoop. Really, thank you very, very much for your support. And we really appreciate it. And this morning we woke up and it's just a shock that our NFT really kicks off and everything just sold out. And I think it's because of your tweet. And we really appreciate it. And I hope that these projects of NFT can really reach out to the communities to bring this for a good cause. And that our coffee farmers, every home's a straw house, will be able to have solar panel lights to bring lights into their home, bring hopes for them. That kids are able to read, families able to see each other face to face. I think we look forward to this, and we're sure we're going to deliver this. And I'm looking forward to deliver this solar panel to them. And without your help, all these are not possible. We really want to thank you. Really want to thank you very much. Wonderful.
All right. Take care. Take care, brother.
Yes.